Welcome to the Contractor Success Map podcast. I'm your host, Bradley Hart, and I'm an expert on how you can get the most out of your contracting company. The reason I designed this show is to help you turn your contracting company from a people-dependent money pit into a process-dependent cash cow to have the freedom you dreamed of when you started your business. Every Friday, we're releasing podcasts with information to help you get the most out of your contracting company. Be sure to join us at www.contractorsuccessmap.com. and subscribe to receive our latest articles and special offers. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.
Hello there. Welcome back or welcome to our podcast. I hope you are doing great and in excellent health. This is Norhalma delivering our 495th episode by Sherry DeHart. You can listen to the other sessions on iTunes, Spotify, or wherever podcast content is published. It's non-sequential. You can listen to the topics that interest you the most. Sherry's post today is entitled, Common Construction Payroll Implementation Errors You Can Easily Avoid. Let's get into it. Small business owners spend an average of 8 hours monthly performing payroll functions. That's 12 business days a year that could be spent generating sales, prospecting new business opportunities, improving products or services, or servicing customers. Upgrading or changing your payroll system comes with a ton of attractive benefits. Saving time and money, making everyone's account more manageable, and better integration are all excellent reasons to consider a change. But if the switch is mishandled, the results can be catastrophic and lead to long-lasting problems. So here are the tips to avoid or tips on avoiding a disastrous payroll system migration. First, give the project the time it needs. People may indeed enjoy coming to work, but for most people, earning money is the main reason they seek employment. Our jobs make the world go round and support our families and us so that we can afford everything else. Not getting paid or getting paid incorrectly is a massive problem for your employees. As a business owner, you want to ensure your employees are paid right and on time. This protects your business, but it also protects their happiness. Changing payroll systems is a huge undertaking. There are many moving parts and people who will be affected. Make sure to give this project the time and attention it deserves. Determine what will be necessary to make the transition. Understand whom it affects and communicate with everyone involved. The planning process is critical. Treat it as the foundation for making the switch, and the rest will fall into place. Second, map out integrations. All payroll software will do the basics, but that's just the beginning of your new system. Learn about what other software will integrate with your new platform. Do your research for what add-ons you will need and build accordingly. Your new system will be able to connect with HR software, advanced accounting functions, time tracking tools, and so much more. Envision what your complete system looks like and understand how to get it to all work together. When you have the complete picture from the planning stage, it will make the transition a lot smoother. Next, adjust the platform to your needs. The primary motivation for implementing a new payroll system is to make things easier. Yet, many businesses overlook the ways that their new technology can help. It's easy to lean on old methods for getting things done because they're familiar. But that would be a mistake when switching to a new payroll system. Make sure you know about and understand the features of your new platform. This is where the real time, money, and energy savings will come in. Automate anything you can. When these tools prove their worth, your team will understand the reason for switching. Fourth, don't bring over insufficient data. When implementing or switching to a new system, take the opportunity to go over your incoming data. Yes, all of it. Get rid of what you don't need while keeping in mind what you have to keep on hand according to any relevant tax agencies. While payroll software is beneficial, it can only do so much. If you put insufficient data in, it will spit bad data out. Go over the information you're inputting with a fine-toothed comb to get the best result. And last but not the least, test, test, test. Before you officially implement anything, make sure to test it out. This phase is critical and is often overlooked. There's no quicker way to turn your staff off of something new than for it to work poorly or not right out of the gate. Take the time to test now and reap the benefits when you go live. A better approach. If you think hiring a full-time in-house payroll staff is not practical, you can always come to us and let us take care of your payroll. Whether you need weekly, fortnightly, or monthly processing, our team is flexible enough to do it for you. When contractors ask which payroll option we recommend, we often say direct deposit. As usual, the reasons are simple and related to our primary role as profit and growth specialists for contractors, and our mission, which helps you, the people of the most significant industry on earth, the construction industry, to achieve your definition of success. The first option, paper check, looks like the least expensive. Calculate payroll, handwrite or print a paycheck, and hand it to your employee. What is the first thing an employee does after getting a paper paycheck? They go to the bank or the check cashing store and get cash. If they are paid for travel time to and from the job site, they will typically cash their paycheck to the job site or take a break as soon as the bank opens. Considering this scenario, there are 3 costs to consider. First is travel time. It will take 10 minutes to detour to and from the bank or payday advance company, plus 10 minutes inside the building. For example, you pay your employee $25 per hour, which means every 10 minutes of doing personal business or company time costs you $5.94. Multiplied by 3 equals $17.82. If your company earns 10% net profit, you need to sell another $178.20 worth of work to compensate for your loss. If there is more than one worker in the company or in the company vehicle, multiply everything by that number. Number 2, consider the cost per mile. To operate the company vehicle, which varies depending on the type of vehicles your company uses. Generally, the numbers range from $1.25 to $1.75 per mile. This considers fuel, plus insurance, plus repairs, plus maintenance, plus registration, plus license, divided by the number of miles driven. In this example, we estimate a 3-mile detour at the middle range of $1.50 per mile equals to $4.50. And the third thing to consider, delays on the job. In construction, you deal with project-based systems, not operations or manufacturing-based operations. Every additional day you have to mobilize and demobilize costs you money. For example, if it takes 15 minutes for 4 workers to get set up in the morning and the same amount of time at night, your total cost could be $121.92. Total cost for paper checks between $15 and $50 per employee. To get the actual results for your company, some analysis would need to be run, or you would look in your business process management system for the answers. So the next option is direct deposit. Direct deposit could cost an additional $5 per payroll and 99 cents per deposit. direct deposit drops into your employee's bank account 1 minute after midnight on the day payroll is due. Having a professional bookkeeper prepare the payroll is less with direct deposit because of the time saved in making and printing the paper checks, setting them aside for you to sign them, stuffing them in the envelopes, and taking time to pass them out. Option 3 is debit card, and it's similar to a direct deposit. The difference is that the employee does not need a checking account. Final thoughts. Deciding to change your payroll system is a big undertaking, but some planning and preparation can be a smooth and rewarding transition. As payroll experts in the construction industry, we can keep your employees happy with timely and accurate wages, maintain tax compliance, and significantly ease your back office burden. So get in touch with me today if you'd like to learn more about how we can help make payroll easier for you. Give yourself the peace of mind you deserve. And that ends Sherry's blog post. Want to chat about growing your construction business? Or, like what Sherry mentioned on her blog post, do you need help with your payroll today? Please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. You can always email her at Sherry, Sharie, Sherry at fasteasyaccounting.com. Or you can give her a call at our toll-free number 1-800-361-1770 or US phone line 206-361-3950. And of course, our promo code is still available for you to use if it's your first time tuning into our podcast, or you would like to be reminded that you can always use or still use our promo code. It's podcast20, PODCAST20, podcast20. Whether you need a bookkeeping template or would like to enroll in one of our construction accounting classes, you can use that for a 20% discount. Links to our online store and academy are in our blog. On behalf of Sherry and our team at Fast Easy Accounting, this is Norhalma. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe and healthy.
And stay tuned for upcoming episodes on how to turn your contracting company into a process-dependent cash cow. Bye for now. Thanks for tuning in. You're listening to the Contractor Success Map. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a 5-star rating and review here on iTunes, and make sure to head over to www.contractorsuccessmap.com to subscribe to receive the latest articles and special offers. If you'd like to discuss your business strategy, simply click on the button labeled Strategy Session. And the best part, it's all free, just for you.